locked out of vital customer conversations because of an outdated phone number on your Wati account. Don't worry, updating it is easier than you think, and we're here to guide you through it step by step. First, log into your Wati account using your existing credentials. Once you're in, navigate to the Profile Settings or Account Settings section, usually found in the bottom left corner of your screen. Click on it. Within the settings, locate the section displaying your current WhatsApp Business API phone number. You should see an Edit or Change option next to it. Click on that. Now, carefully enter your new phone number in the provided field. Double-check to ensure it's accurate, including the correct country code, to avoid any errors. After entering your new number, Wati will send a verification code to that number via SMS. Keep an eye on your phone for this code. It usually arrives within a few seconds. Once you receive the verification code, promptly enter it into the designated field on the Wati platform. This confirms that you have access to the new phone number. After entering the correct verification code, you should see a success message confirming that your phone number has been successfully updated on Wati. That's all there is to it. Your Wati account is now updated.